What is up, everyone? Now that we have Go High Level set up, we need to set up stuff, right? So I'm going to take you through my Go High Level settings, and you can kind of get an idea of how to set it up. First thing we're going to do is we're going to set up the business profile. This is the most important part to set up your Go High Level, because everything that is tied to like approving your phone number, so you can send text, and is tied to this section. And if you don't get this section accurate and right, you're going to get declined, and then you're going to waste money, because every time you apply to get your number approved, you need to pay like 20 or 25 bucks or something like that. So how do you get to this section? All right, move myself over here. So we need to go to the settings section, and if you haven't gone over the entire dashboard area, go to the last video. I walk you through the entire dashboard and all the important parts of each of these menus on the left. But for now, we're going to go straight to the settings section. Go to settings, and you're going to go to click the first one, which is business profile. This is why it's number one on the menus, because this is the most important thing to set up. Now, what you are going to see is probably different from what you see on my screen, which is yours is going to be completely empty, but I'm just going to walk you through everything. So you don't really need a logo. I added it just because, you know, it looks good and everything, and it can be used in other areas. But all you need is your friendly business name. So this is the business name that you can be, you know, have on your email signatures and stuff like this. Legal business name. This is going to be what is on your EIN letter, okay, or your LLC letter or whatever it is. Your business email, business phone, that's fine. Branded domain. So you may or may not have this already, but this is, we'll go over this later, but you don't need this right now. But this is if you want your own like branded domain for calendar links and stuff like that. This is your website, and then your niche. Now, this API key is very important, but we are not going to use that for now. Now, put up your address for, that is your address for your LLC or your place of business. And then what you want to do is you want to add in, you know, your information here. This part, it needs to be entirely accurate. Your EIN number, your right here. They have different types based on what country you're in. But this needs to be accurate in order for you to apply for your SMS ability for your phones, which we'll cover later. And this is how I set up. So allow duplicates opportunity, merge Facebook contacts by name, mark emails as invalid due to hard bounce, verify email address when first email address. Okay, great. And then mark email compliant by adding an unsubscribe link in your email. So do all that. And that's basically all I've set up for the business profile. Now, do not go through this haphazardly, because all of this information is very important to get right the first step, because it does affect you in future steps. So do this for number one. Thanks. And let's go to the next video, which I think will be going over your personal profile.